Hey gang, Eric the American Viking here, reviewing a Dick Johnson product. Dick Johnson, they're from Finland. They sent me some beard care products that we're gonna check out. So, let's see how it goes. Ooh. Oh, Snake Balm, I like that. And I love their design because it looks like an old-fashioned kind of classic Americana. You know, reminds you of the Old West, but also maybe a little bit of Art Nouveau, Art Deco style. Snake Balm, original and vegan. Vegan Snake Balm, that's exciting. Whiskey and vanilla scent. Okay, Dick Johnson, let's try you out. Oh fuck, I love that. It comes in this cool tin. That's classic, old fashioned, and fuck plastic. Let's go back to tin, metal, stuff like that. Oh, smells good. Smells like whiskey and vanilla. Yeah, look at that. That's sexy. Looks real sexy. I like the whiskey and vanilla scent because it's not overpowering. Oh man, it's substantial. It's like putting your finger in ice cream. All right, so now I got this stuff. Put it in. I know someone out there on the internet's like, you're putting it in wrong. Fuck you, I'm putting it right. It feels really good, especially because right now, I don't have the longest beard because I'm growing it out again. I want to get it growing nice and straight the way it should. It feels nice and kind of cooling, but also feels like it holds kind of holds the hair into place in a way. Just has this feeling of cleanliness, almost like, oh, I took care of myself today. You know what? You need to take care of yourself better. I don't have to worry about anything and I can go out on the fjords, and climb a mountain goat, and getting ahead of myself. Truly, this feels really good. Yeah, I like this. And it's vegan? I mean, you can't beat that. No one's gonna argue with that. It's vegan. All natural ingredients. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to keep this. They're all looking at me like I'm not gonna keep it, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna take it. Because it's what Vikings do. This feels really good and like something I could actually leave in my beard all day long, you know? There's so many other products like this that you feel like you can put it in for a little bit, but then after you hit the town, you want to wash it out because it just feels like something's sticking in there. And this doesn't feel like that at all. This feels nice and solid, like it did something right for myself. You should do something right for yourself too. Snake Balm for beard.